Hey guys, welcome to Learn Python with Kids videos. Python is getting popular and is a good language for kids to build some coding experiences. This video is created for showing my 9 years old child how to start to learn coding. By using interesting examples, I wish to share with kids how to learn Python coding in a fun and easy way. Hopefully it will be useful to you as well. Let's do it together step by step and you will enjoy coding like I do. Before we start to do some coding, let's set up our environments first. There are 3 steps to set up the environment. Number 1, Python. To do Python coding, most important is to have Python installed in our computers. Number 2, we need to have some kind of text editor to edit our code. Visual Studio Code is one of the best free coding environment that we can use. Number 3. In Visual Studio Code, we can install the Python extension which enables debugging and other useful features. Let's start one by one. Step 1. To install Python, please click the link in the video details below which should bring you to the Python official download website. During installation, don't forget to check the Add Python to Path checkbox so you can run Python from any folder. Let's do it together. Let's go to Python download website by clicking the link in the video details. If you see the latest version is not 3.9.0, don't worry. Any Python version should work for our lessons. Let's click Download Python button and the save file. Let's open the downloaded file. On the setup screen, don't forget to check the Add Python to Path, and then we click Install Now. Now the Python is installed successfully. Let's continue. Step 2. To install Visual Studio Code, please visit code.visualstudio.com website. We will also add Python extension with it. Let's do it together. Let's go to Visual Studio Code website by clicking the link in the video details below. Please click Download for Windows or for your operating systems if not Windows. Let's save the file. And open the file after it's downloaded. We can use all default settings during installation. Now the Visual Studio Code is installed. Let's launch it for the first time. You can see the sidebar with different view buttons on the left. They are Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run, and Extensions. We will mostly work on the Explorer and the Run going forward, but we just need to go Extensions for the first time to install Python extension. Let's search for Python. And click Install. when it shows uninstall, which means it's installed successfully. Now we are all done. Now we have our coding environment ready to go. Thanks for watching this video. Let's do some fun coding in next video together.